Hey there, it's Sheila from CopyPro Templates, and in this video, I'm gonna walk you through step by step on how to edit your System.io book a call funnel template. So if you're watching this and you haven't got it yet, I'm putting a link below for the template. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to import this specific book a call funnel to your System.io account, how to edit the page copy, how to update the pop-up, how to connect your own booking calendar. Okay, so now let's get started. So before anything else, I'd just like to provide you with an overview of how this whole funnel works so that you can have a guide on what to edit first and then what to do next. So we have 3 pages here: the booking page, the call confirmation page, and the opt-in page, which I will show later. And then in the step 2, in the call confirmation page, after they book the call here in the booking page, they will receive an automated email that sends them the date, time, and access link, and then another automated email maybe an hour or so before your call, and then you do the call, and then you also have access to the email scripts that you can send after your call. And then here at the right side, going back to this step 2, in the call confirmation page, there's an option where you can give a freebie to them so that you can warm your audience with nurture emails. So after that, they will be able to go to a third page where they can see the next steps, and then after that, they will receive a 7-day email nurture sequence, which you can generate with the prompts that I will give you later. So here are the 3 pages: the booking page, the call confirmation page, and the opt-in page. So a booking page looks like this. Its goal is to book a call with you through this calendar. And then second, once they book a call, they go to the next steps here, and then they will be prompted to this new page, which is the booking confirmation page, and they can see the next steps here. And this part here is just optional. If you have any freebies that you want to give them, you can include this, but if not, then you can remove this, and then the third page will not be triggered. But if you have any freebie, you can include this, and then this is the thank you page after they opted in to your freebie. And you can also show them some links to what you offer. So this is a 3-step book a call funnel for System.io. Now, please note that once you purchase this funnel, you will get a guide where you can find everything that you need to make this funnel work. So in this step-by-step guide, in the overview part, these are all the links that you need to make this whole funnel work. The first part is the most important one because it's the System.io funnel link. Now, before you click that, make sure that you already have a System.io account. If not, I will put a link below so you can sign up for free, and then make sure to log in to your account. You can click this so you can import it to your System.io account. Now, as you can see here, there's a book a call sage green. That's the one that we're looking for. And then it says the status is still in progress. So you can just refresh that. Once it's green, you can go click and edit that. Now, as you can see, there are 3 pages here: the book a call, your call is booked, and thank you page. So these are the 3 pages that we have earlier. So just make sure to edit this right here, the URL path. For example, in the book a call, make it book a call. So when they see your link, it will be something like this, something simplified and more understandable. And then you can edit it directly on your system.io account. Now, one important thing here is you cannot publish this funnel if you haven't set an event for this calendar. Okay, so in order to make this work, you have to make an event by creating a calendar on your system.io account. Now, you can do that by going to your system.io dashboard and then go to CRM, and then under that, click calendar and then create new event and then confirm. Now, let's say this is sample call, and then for the location, it's the type of call that you'll be going to have. So in this case, we're going to have an online meeting. Now let's click that. If you want Zoom or Google Meet, you have to connect it first to your settings here. Under integrations, make sure to connect your Google Meet and Google Calendar and your Zoom account. So you can also do this even with a free system.io account. So unless you do that, you won't be able to check these two. So please do that first. So I've already filled out all the necessary details here for the calendar and just hit save and preview, and then this will pop up. Now let's go back to your editor and let's hit refresh. Now go to your calendar part and then let's click that. Since you already have an event, just select that. We called it sample call earlier, so let's select that and then hit save. Once you do that, you'll be able to successfully publish your book a call template. I just wanted to point this out because in the step 2, I added something like a questionnaire before the call, so you have to edit that. Just click the calendar and then go to form and then edit the questions part. You can ask a few questions before the call so that you have an idea of how the call will go. And then let's just hit save. Then for the second page here, the only important thing to edit is to make sure to edit the pop-up button. So if you go here to the second page and then click this, they will go to the pop-up button. So make sure to edit that. Go here in the pop-up and then click this gear icon to edit it according to your brand. And then same for the third page, just edit it accordingly to your brand. Now this is the fun part in editing the copy, the page. Of course, it takes time, but I have thought that out that it will take you some time. So I've added more help for you. I made ChatGPT prompts so you can just copy and paste everything without rewriting the pages. So here are the links to the ChatGPT prompts. You can also use these tabs in the left part. Just click that. Start with the booking page, copy generator, and then confirmation page, opt-in page, and then email sequence. And you can also use this post call follow-up email scripts after your call. Now, to let you see how this works, you just have to copy everything, copy the prompt, but make sure to edit these details right here that is in red and then paste it to ChatGPT. So here is an example of what I made for a fitness coach, and then I just updated the part where it needs to be updated here in under my details, and then it gave the exact copy that I can just copy and paste to my system.io editor. So it's structured in a way that you can just copy and paste it. And then next, for the second page, which is the confirmation page, again, just change this part right here, and then it will give you this. Next, the third page, which is thank you page, just copy and paste this prompt, change the red ones, and then paste it here. and then you'll get this. Now, one of the most important parts as well is creating the email sequence. Just to recall, if you have a free guide to give, in the second page, you can generate the 7 email sequence here by copying the prompt here and then pasting it directly to ChatGPT. You don't need to edit anything because it will follow what you have given in the previous prompts as long as you have filled them correctly. So this is what you will get. So you will get a 7-day email sequence, and then it will give you the best time to send the emails and then the full 7 email sequence copy for your lead magnet. And that will slowly introduce them to your core offer, which is your coaching program. So make sure that in these 3 pages, you have to fill in the parts where it needs to be filled correctly. And I also added video guides here on how to create an email sequence on System.io. So since you already have the 7 email sequence for your freebie, you can create that on System.io with the help of this video. And I will also create more walkthrough videos, and I will add it to this document. I will update it constantly. To wrap it up, before releasing this book a call funnel, make sure that you've already have your copy, images, branding all set on your System.io account. Make sure to edit those. Make sure you have the calendar event set up and the email automation set up. And please, before you send this, make sure to test this out. So I've already tested it myself. I've seen here under bookings, you will see here who booked a call with you, on what date and what time. And you can also get the email confirmation. So as long as you set it up correctly with your Zoom and Google Meet account, the one who booked calls will be able to receive emails, confirmation emails, and depending on the time that you set it to remind them under the calendar booking, they will receive this email, a confirmation email, and then the reminder email. It will be automated, so you don't have to do anything for the emails part. For the call confirmation, the only thing that you have to set up is the 7-day email sequence for the freebie that you have given. So that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know. You can drop it in the comments and I'll be sure to check them out. Thanks everyone. Bye.